Hi, my name is Travis Tormey. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in New Jersey. Today I'm going to talk to you about robbery charges. Robbery is a theft crime that involves the use of force. Okay, so if you go into a store, you take something that doesn't belong to you, a product, put it in your pocket and walk out, that's a much lesser crime than a robbery offense, which would require a use of force. For example, if you took the item from the store clerk, took it from them, took it from their hand, even if you didn't push them, punch them, or anything, the use of force, actually taking it from them physically, can potentially make it a robbery. Now, I'm charged with robbery. What am I looking at? Well, if there's a weapon involved, it's a second-degree crime, all right? No matter what. 5 to 10 years in New Jersey State Prison. You have to serve 85% of your sentence before becoming eligible for parole. So, if you get 10 years, you have to serve 8.5 years before the parole board can consider you for release. Now, the other type of robbery is a third-degree robbery. No weapon involved, lower degree offense, 3 to 5 years in New Jersey State Prison, again subject to the No Early Release Act, 85% before you become eligible for parole. If you're facing a robbery charge, there are a number of potential defenses that we can use to help you. Number one, was there really force involved? Okay, did the victim exaggerate? Do they have any reason to lie? Are they credible witness for trial? Does he say that he fell down the stairs, or that he tripped, or that you pushed him? Is there another potential set of facts that maybe we can convince the prosecutor that they're not going to have a very strong case and maybe they should downgrade it to something else like a regular theft? Number two, was there a weapon involved? Is it credible that you actually used a weapon, or was the weapon not really involved and again the victim is exaggerating? Number three, do you have an alibi? We've had cases of mistaken identity where someone picked you out of a lineup or photo array, and in fact, you had a solid alibi. You were across town. You weren't even anywhere in the vicinity. Lastly, does robbery really apply? We've had cases where a guy took his girlfriend's phone from her hand, but it was his phone. He paid for the phone. The bill was in his name. They broke up. He took the phone from her. He didn't push her, punch her, hurt her in any way. He took the phone from her hand. That's not really what robbery's for. The penalties are way too severe. And secondly, he has a claim of right to that phone. If it's his property, it's not a theft, and it's therefore not a robbery. If you have any additional questions or you'd like further information regarding your case, contact me anytime directly for a free initial consultation.